Good evening, everyone. Let us see one more classic game with Morphy against Duke Carroll. That's very good game to understand good chess principles. E4, control the center, activate bishop and queen. E5, knight f3, attack the pawn, bring the knight to the center. D6. D6 maybe not the best move because now bishop f8 is can attack only one square, e7 square, and after this move black cannot develop this bishop anymore on c5 square or b4 square. But this move also activate this bishop and protect e5 pawn. D4. White immediately start to attack the center. Besides that, they develop this bishop. Bishop d4. Black decided to pin knight and queen. D takes e. Now d takes e doesn't work because white simply can take queen d8 and after that win pawn knight e5. And also is double attack like hanging bishop on g4 and pawn on f7. So that's why black decided to take bishop f3, queen f3, and after that only take the pawn. If you play white, which move will you do? If you suggest move bishop c4, that is the right move. Attack immediately pawn f7, knight f6, and now take a pause. White to move. Try to find the best move for the white. I hope you can find queen b3, double attack, attack f7 pawn and b7 pawn, queen e7. That is maybe only way to protect f7 pawn. But now white can take b7 pawn, but white unexpectedly played knight c3 to develop. White decided to develop their pieces. More important to take the pawn. That is amazing example how important development is. c6, bishop g5, white pin the queen and knight. b5. Black wants to push out powerful white bishop, but you can take a pause and try to find the best move for the white. And white sacrificed knight b5. That is an interesting moment when black move their pawns before they were pieces. Now this bishop blocked and it's hard to make a castle. This piece is also not active, but they are moving pawns, so they will be punished. It's also a good example attack of uncastle king. Attack the king in the center. Knight b5, c takes b, bishop b5, knight d7. Now here is double pin. This knight pinned and also this knight also pinned. So this knight cannot go anywhere and this knight cannot go anywhere. And the question is, how do you continue attack for the white? You can take a pause and calculate variations, find winning attack for the white. And white move long castle. Rook d8. Okay, if you have pinned pieces, what do you need to do? Do you remember? You need to attack more. You need to bring more pressure on the pinned pieces, and how to do that in the fastest way. white played rook d7. That is very quick way to bring, the quickest way to bring rook h1 to attack pinned piece. Otherwise, if another good idea is double rooks, like rook d2 and rook d1, but that is slower because it will take more, it will take 2 moves, and after rook d7 is simply quicker. Rook d7, rook d1, bring another piece to attack. So now there is no good way to unpin for the black. White simply can always take on f6, and after that take on d7. Queen e6 played, and try to find here the fastest way to win for the white in this amazing position. Take a pause if needs. Okay, I hope you could find this fantastic win. Bishop d7, knight d7. If not, you can take a pause more. Here is checkmate in 2 moves and fight it. And queen b8, white sacrifice the queen. Knight b8 and rook d8, checkmate. Amazing game played by Paul Morphy. I hope you could enjoy this game and got some new points for yourself or repeat old knowledge. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribes on my channel, and to see more, to get more new ideas. And again, thank you so much. See you again in next video. Bye bye.